14 owl fidgets. Usually I have some idea. I have no idea. Let's find out. There won't be any in the food. Owls are not food, but I feel like there might be some owls up here. I already see one. 1, 2, 3. There might be more up here, but I want to move on. But where to? I know I don't have any in the animal drawer. I think I might have some up here. 4, 5. This is so gross. This is probably a crow. 6, 7. I think that's all up here though. Now I don't know where to look. So those are the ones I knew about, but now I don't know. Ooh, maybe up here. Ooh, no. Maybe? No. Yeah, no owls in here. My first ever poppet was an owl. There it is. 8. 9. 10. I think the mochis are our only hope. I wish I had the energy to look through this. I just don't. You win. I only found 10. Okay, bye.